Tell me what's going on.
Well, my daughter took it to have an oil change, and then while they're doing the oil change, they told her that the battery was low. The amps were low. Tried to talk her into getting the battery, and she didn't have the money to do it, so she said no. They completed the job and everything, and as she started, she pulled out, and as she's trying to go down the road, the acceleration is real bad.
Oh, really?
And I tried driving it myself by the time once she got home, and I could get it. It said it was up to 50 miles an hour, and I was barely moving the vehicle, and it was really forcing.
Are there any lights on the dash?
No.
How come? So your question to me is what could be causing this? Is that right?
Yeah.
So if we haven't checked the fuses, we'll have to start by checking the fuses, and then the next step really should be someone plugging into the computer system to check for codes in the computer.
No.
We don't know if it's something, I believe, I could be wrong, but I believe there's an auxiliary battery or a secondary battery on this vehicle.
It's for the push the start stop. That did come on yesterday for her, and now it's not on anymore.
Do you know how old these batteries are?
I don't know because we bought the car used.
I would be willing to bet they're probably
2 years.
original.
But if it's a 21, it's only 4 years old, right?
Batteries on average only last about 5 years. And if you're in a place that's really hot right now, heat kills batteries. So I wouldn't be surprised if the batteries they either check out marginal or they fail a load test.
Would that cause it to for acceleration though?
Well, my experience has been if not really, but let me explain. My experience has been if they're strong enough to start the engine, they usually don't cause a drivability issue. But if they're a weak battery, it could make the charging system struggle a little bit more. There could be other things that could be going on as well. So the only way to know for sure would be to load test those batteries. Now, I would think that the oil change place did load test one of the batteries, and that's why they recommended it.
Right, larger one.
And if that is the case, well, on 100%, not only if it's original from day one, 4 years old, but then it fails a load test, 100% it needs to be replaced. Now, you don't have to get it replaced at the oil change place. You can get it replaced at any shop, or you can even do it yourself if you want.
Right.
But let's just say the batteries, either you replace the battery or both batteries, and the problem still remains, or the battery check out good, and you still have the same problem, then we got to get in there, we got to check for codes in the computer using a compatible scan tool. We would also need to check the fuses to make sure the fuses are okay. Now, if they disconnected the battery, maybe there's an issue with the throttle body. Maybe there's some sort of relearn that needs to be done, but I don't know for sure.
No, they didn't. She said they didn't take it out.
So she didn't jump the battery at all, correct?
No.
All right. So the vehicle shouldn't have lost power. So we shouldn't. So then that's all the more reason why we need to plug in with a computer to see what in the world's going on here.
All right. I guess that's what we'll do next.
Would you like me to recommend a mobile mechanic? Would that help?
Sure.
I'll be happy to send some information over in the chat. And then if you have any questions, you're welcome just to reply back. I'll be happy to help.
All right. Thank you so much.
You bet. You're welcome.
Bye now.